What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to show you how to customize our terms, conditions, and privacy link. Ready? Let's check it out. Our terms link allows you to replace our boilerplate terms, conditions, and privacy policy with your own version. All you need to do is create your own web page, copy the link, and replace the one we have on file. Let's check it out. In the dashboard, we're going to go over to the text words page. On the text words page, on the right side of the text word you want to customize your terms link, click on Options and Settings. On the next page here, scroll down to Terms Link. On this page here, you're going to notice a link. All right, if there's nothing there, it might be new. However, this link here is your terms, conditions, and privacy that we automatically put together for you that shows up in your auto reply right here. If you go to that link, you'll notice that we have everything automatically branded and put in place for you for your recurring text marketing campaign. Now, if you want to customize this page and create your own, I'd recommend you copy all this content and then replace it, maybe host it on your own server. If you want to do that, a lot of companies do, you can replace the one we have in the system for your text word with your own. So back inside your SlickText dashboard, over on the terms link page, we can go ahead and remove this one, and we can simply put in a different one here. All right, just for an example, I'll just send us to the pricing page on SlickText. So that's it, guys. That's how you customize your terms link here at SlickText. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.